wonderforce.com.
Hi students, JEE means 2021 registration form and application form is ready, and here is the procedure I am going to tell you, where it will be explaining step by step so that it should not be a problem for you. A small mistake made during the application form will be a great difficult in future. So that's why I expect all of you to watch till the last and don't miss any point and follow it scrupulously. Okay. So first of all, you will type the JEE mains in the Google search. Then you will find, suppose if I searched here, okay. So we will get so many of the website. So many of the website will be there. So this is the main website and actual website. Okay. So let us press this one. So when you search, so many website will be there, but they are all similarly appearing. Okay. So here this is the information bulletin. Okay. So in this information bulletin, all everything is given in clear format so that you should not have any problem. Okay. So this is about the fees and all. For the male separate fees, female separate fees, SC, ST, transgender separate fees, category wise. If you fill all together, then something fees will be there. Okay. So that fees and all you can see, and data and all you can see. So let's go to the application format. Okay, now after downloading the information bulletin and read it thoroughly. Okay, anyhow I will be explaining step by step. So then come back to this website. Okay, this website link also I will give you. If required, you can go through that for safe reaching. Okay, now here there is a blue color here, apply for JEE Main 2021. Then you will press over here. Okay, so before starting, I wanted to tell something. First of all, you should have, before starting the application, following things you should have. Please take a pen and notebook or paper. You can write down all of them and keep ready before going for the application. Okay. First thing, write down photo. Okay. And preferably white background should be there, and 80% of the photo must be covered by your face, and ears must be visible. Okay, these are the three things. Background must be white color, and 85% of the photograph must be covered by you. Third thing, ears must be visible. Okay. Second thing, you make a signature on a paper and take it to the scanned. Okay. So this photo and signature, that KB restriction will be there. It will be 10 KB to 200 KB. Okay. So if it is of the good quality, obviously the KB will be very high. Then you have to reduce the resolution. So in the where you will find many applications where you can reduce the quality by reducing it to the below 200 KB. Okay, so keep that both ready for the application form. Okay, photograph and signature within the 10 KB to 200 KB. Then before that only you should decide how many times you wanted to appear. 4 times are available, and all 4 times you can appear one by one also. Okay. Then the second thing, if you are applying for any category, keep that category certificate also scanned. Okay. Then next thing is most important is mark sheet. If you are appearing for the class 12th, keep the 10th class mark sheet ready. And if you are past the 10th 12th class, keep the 12th class mark sheet ready. Okay. So I think, and in that what we require is keep a track of the mainly they will ask about the marks, how many marks you got it, and date of birth. Okay. So roll number and something will be mentioned. So three things at least you should remember: how many marks you obtained and maximum marks of that exam. Why I am telling you, because some cases it will be CGPA. So in case of the CGPA, maximum CGPA will be 10, and your obtained CGPA you will write it. Okay. And in some states, some states it will be 600, some state it will be 800, some states it will be 500. So obtained marks divided by maximum marks you have to enter, and roll number of that examination, and these are the things you require from that Okay, next ID proof also. Okay, so ID proof also better to keep it keep your Aadhaar card ready so that it will be easy for you. And also you should keep the email ID. Okay, this is what the main important people are mistaking. So email ID and one mobile number, and this email ID and mobile number, it is going to be used for you till the counseling is over, and in future also it may be used. So try to make this mobile number and email ID very perfect. Okay, there should not be any mistakes. So I think it is clear to you what you have to keep kept ready: photograph, signature, how many number of times you wanted to attempt, then category certificates if applicable, like PWD, BC, EWS. Okay, and next mark sheet of the appeared exam. It can be 10th class or it can be 12th class, and in that marks obtained and roll number, then ID proof, then email ID and mobile number. Okay, then once you are once you are ready with this, okay, so then you will be given with, see, this is for only for the this is only registered candidates. Actually total process will be there in the total 4 steps. Okay, how many steps? 4 steps. First one will be new registration, second one will be filling up of application form, third one will be documents uploading, and fourth and final will be the fee payment. Let us see the new registration. Okay, see, you will find here 4 parts: purple color, orange color and blue color, and fourth fee payment. Okay, so here again you have to download the information brochure. Okay, so once you download and accept, then only it will go further. Okay, so whatever I told you, they are on all here. How much fees you can go through it: 650 for male and 3000 for outside male. Okay, female, and that you also you can read while application. Okay, and keep the bank account details also ready so that it should not be a problem for you. Okay, it can be through the net banking also. And always we should keep this application number. Okay, application number generated, and password, very very important. Password, try to keep it very simple. It is not something financial, so you can keep it very simple, but there are some conditions. First letter should be one capital letter and one special character like hash or at the rate or dollar, like that, and total character must be minimum 8. So be prepared. Once you go with the application form very confidently, then it will be there. Okay, see here, clearly it is given: scanned photograph signature should be clearly legible, and size of the scanned photograph must be 10 kb to 200 kb, and signature is very less, 4 kb to 30 kb, and category certificates 50 kb to 300 kb, and PWD certificate 50 kb to 300 kb. That's why I told you earlier only. Okay, so now see important instructions about the password. Okay, so password and security question, whatever I told you: 8 to 13 character password, one uppercase, one lowercase, one numerical value, and at the rate. Okay, sometimes you may have to suppose you if you have to reset your password, that time the two things will be very very important. What are those two things? Mobile number and email ID. Okay, that's why, see here, when I check this, then only I will be going further. Click here to proceed. Okay, so now my registration will start. Okay, so candidate's name, father's name, mother's name, and date of birth. While filling up the date of birth, try to keep fill by keeping your 10th class certificate, 10th class memo or date of birth by the side of you, and then only you enter it. Okay, gender, identity type, proof of identity, let us see: PAN card also okay, school ID card also okay, passport also okay, qualifying examination admit card also okay. That means 10th class admit card or 12th class admit card, voter ID, ration card, bank passbook, driving license, or any other valid. Okay, so before this only I am telling you, so you can select anything. Okay, then yeah, identification number on that PAN number or like that. Okay, if it is Aadhaar card number. Then present address, so try to give the correct address so that if any intimation is given by the NTA, it should reach to you in the correct time. Okay, and email number and mobile number, and again I am telling you, these are going to be with you for a long time. Okay, if you do something wrong, then reset password will be on to these two only. Okay, permanent address and password already I told you. Enter the security pin, this 03, this will keep on changing and you can also keep changing. Okay, is it understood? Okay, so these are the information I have to fill up, then it will be going further. Okay. Okay, after filling up, then there will be a review page or close will be there. Okay, so you can final submit. Okay, then you will agree. Okay, then if you say agree, okay, here all tick mark must be there, then you will say agree, then final submit. Okay, so do you wish? Yes, that means we have completed the first part. So see, registration have become green. Okay, then we are going to application form. So before going to application form, I wanted to tell you one thing. You are at the Whichchem YouTube channel, and Whichchem YouTube channel is all set ready for the chemistry to clear your IIT JEE mains and advanced examination also. Okay, so there is a 4-step strategy we have followed in this Whichchem YouTube channel. What is that? First of all, you will go through the one shot videos. Okay, in that one shot videos you will complete the full chapter in detail, and all formulas will be covered, and all any type of shortcuts are there that will be mentioned. After that, you will go through the previous year question PYQs. Okay, then if it is required during the PYQ, you will mark out the individual topics, which topic you are not able to attempt the answer. Then you will go through that video. The third step is individual topic videos are also there. Okay, so most of them are topics are already there, most of one shot videos are already there, so you can best use of them. Then after finally it will be fourth step will be use the DPP. Okay, in between you can go for the cumulative DPPs, so that it will be easy for you to assess when all chapters comes together. Okay, so I think all of you will do that and get benefit of it, and all of it is free of cost, and but of the good quality. It is does not mean that if it is of free, then it will be of bad quality. I have tried my level best to give everything in free. So I hope all of you will subscribe my channel and press bell icon, and don't forget to give a like to this video, because after lot of efforts I am making this video. Okay, so let's see how it appears. See here, if you press Whichchem YouTube channel on the search button, then you will get a channel like this. Then you press, you can go to the playlist. Okay, so here you will get chapter wise videos are there. Okay, DPP series, this DPP series is to cross check whether your preparation is up to the mark or not. This is a PYQ series. Okay, previous year question series. And see, this is what you have to start with: one shot catalyzer crash course. So almost 22 chapters are covered, so some more are covered. I will try to cover that also by the time you appear your examination. Okay, so go through the one shot catalyzer series, then you will go to the previous year question of that particular chapter, and while particular chapter you are revising, then you will understand which topic you are having difficulty. Suppose if you have problem in some isomerism, so go through the isomerism you have problem in tautomerism. Okay, or any questions you want geometrical isomerism, like that topic videos you can go through, so that that topic will be very high. Okay, that topic also will be strong. Then you will go through the DPP series. Okay, so if you wanted to appear for the board exams also, alternatively prepare for that, we have started board exam series also. I think all of you will go through the VGChem YouTube channel daily half an hour to 1 hour, so that it should be a part of your success. Okay, so let's continue to our application format. So here we have completed registration form and we have completed we are into the application form. Let's press the application form. Okay, so here keep this application number written so many places so that it should not be misplaced. Okay, so now this is the application number. In future you are going to use it. Okay, so let's see what is there. So name and all, everything I have written. Okay, so nationality Indian. Okay, nationality you can fill, and accordingly you can write state and category. Okay, if you are belonging to PWD, you can write PWD. If you are diabetic, place of residence, mode of preparation. Okay, so mode of preparation, self-study, individual, tutorial classes, correspondence, whatever you feel like you can apply. Okay, medium of schooling in qualification. Okay, so if you want to all languages are here, so better to select English or whichever you will feel like. Okay, so here this is the main thing. This time changes are there. So all 4 parts you wanted to apply, you can apply all 4 parts. Okay, and examination choice, there is a problem student our previous students faced. This is first choice must be your best choice. Sometimes what happens, your first choice you are filling up the third, but you will get your first choice as a not required examinations choice. Okay, so try to select this choice filling should be very proper. Okay, then question paper, medium of instruction, it can be English or any language. So if you are education details, 10th are equivalent and 12th are equivalent. Okay, so qualifying examination, place of schooling and all thing you can fill up. Okay, so these are the things you have to fill up. Roll number in that part also. That's why I told you to keep that mark sheet ready. Okay, now next additional details. If you are a twin, then you should write twin. Okay, father's name, personal income. Okay, parental income details you have to fill up so that you can avail the EWS. Okay, economically weaker section. Okay, then you will enter the security pin and submit. So after this what happens, then you will go to the next step. What is the next step? Document upload. So after you upload the document, then you will go to the fee payment page where you will be paying the fees and you will be getting a receipt, and keep that receipt also printed so that it should be useful for you. Okay, I hope all documents I told you you will keep ready, and like this video so that so many important news also I am going to give you, and so many videos also I will upload. See you, bye bye, all the best.